Hello everybody, and welcome to another video. Today, we're about to explore the fascinating world of data, how it's collected, processed, and transformed into insights that drive smarter decisions across industries. From the way businesses design products, to how governments plan policies and operate, to how individuals make daily choices, data is the invisible thread tying it all together. By learning about data collection now, you're not just keeping up. You're preparing yourself to thrive in a world where those who understand data will always have the edge. It's the art of gathering the right information from the right sources for the right purpose. Without it, analytics is just guesswork. With it, decisions become sharper, strategies stronger, and outcomes smarter. Data is the fuel that powers today's digital world. Every click, every response, every interaction adds to this vast reservoir of information. And it doesn't come from just one place. It flows in from countless sources. Think of surveys, like the Venngage Netflix survey that captures audience preferences, or structured databases that store years of records. Then there are IoT devices, constantly streaming real-time data, and websites quietly collecting insights from user behavior. Together, these sources form the lifeblood of modern analytics, driving smarter decisions and sharper strategies. Why is data collection so important? Because it transforms uncertainty into clarity. First, it enables informed decision-making. Organizations can rely on accurate data to make smarter choices. Without it, decisions are little more than guesswork. Second, it helps in identifying trends and opportunities. Data reveals patterns, like a sudden rise in demand for a product or shifts in consumer behavior, giving businesses the chance to act before competitors do. Third, it drives efficiency. By analyzing collected data, companies can uncover bottlenecks, reduce costs, and streamline operations for better performance. And finally, it fuels innovation. Many of today's breakthroughs like wearable health devices are powered by data. These devices collect real-time information that sparks new ideas and advances in personalized healthcare. In short, data collection isn't just about gathering numbers. It's about unlocking insights that shape smarter, faster, and more innovative decisions. Data doesn't just appear out of thin air. It's collected step by step from the world around us. Take retail stores, for example. Every time a customer makes a purchase, point-of-sale systems record what was bought, when, and how often. Over time, this purchase history reveals buying patterns, like which products are popular during certain seasons, or which items are often bought together by customers. Now consider websites. They use cookies and analytics tools to track how visitors interact with their pages. Metrics like page views, bounce rates, and time spent on a site help businesses understand what's working, what's not, and how to improve the user experience. These everyday interactions, whether shopping in-store or browsing online, are the building blocks of the massive data ecosystem that powers modern decision-making. In transportation, data collection is the backbone of modern fleet management. Every vehicle on the road generates valuable information: routes taken, fuel consumed, maintenance needs, and driver behavior. By systematically gathering, monitoring, and analyzing this operational data, fleet managers gain a complete 360-degree view of their operations. This integrated perspective allows them to predict maintenance needs before breakdowns occur, cut unnecessary costs, stay compliant with regulations, and ultimately improve both driver safety and vehicle performance. In short, data transforms fleet management from reactive problem-solving into proactive, strategic decision-making. In banking and finance, ETL pipelines are critical for security and risk management. They extract transaction logs from ATMs, online banking platforms, and credit card systems, then transform that raw data to detect anomalies or fraud patterns. Finally, the data is loaded into a risk monitoring dashboard, giving financial institutions real-time visibility to protect both themselves and their customers. In education, ETL pipelines play a very different but equally important role. They pull student performance data from learning management systems, attendance records, and exam results. This information is then transformed into standardized formats and loaded into analytics platforms. The result is a clear, unified view of academic progress, helping educators track performance, identify learning gaps, and support student success. That brings us to the end of our session on data collection and its applications across industries. From retail and transportation to banking and education, we've seen how data, when properly gathered, processed, and analyzed, becomes the foundation for smarter decisions, greater efficiency, and meaningful innovation. I hope this session has given you a clearer perspective on the power of data. Thanks for watching.